Hello friends, today I am discussing the question number 12 of GATE 2020 and this question is from linear algebra. So what this question says? This question says that suppose that M is a 5 cross 5 matrix with real entries, okay, and this Px is equal to determinant of xi minus m. Then we have given 4 options and we have to answer for the correct option. Okay, the first option is P at 0 is equal to determinant of M. Second option is every eigenvalue of M is real if P at 1 plus P at 2 is equal to 0 and P at 2 plus P at 3 is equal to 0. And third option is M inverse is necessarily a polynomial in M of degree 4 if M is invertible. Okay, and the fourth option is M is not invertible if M square minus 2M is equal to 0. So now we start the solution. So we have given that this Px is equal to determinant of xi minus m, and we know that this determinant of xi minus m is what? This is the characteristic polynomial of m. So means we have given this Px is the characteristic polynomial of m. So now for the first option, this P at 0, so if we put x equal to 0 in determinant of xi minus m, so we get that P at 0 is equal to determinant of minus m, and this is obviously this is not equal to determinant of m, so that's why this option is incorrect. Okay, now come to option second. So in this option he says that if P at 1 plus P at 2 is equal to 0 and P at 2 plus P at 3 equal to, so this implies that P at 1 is equal to P at 3 and this is equal to negative of P at 2. Now so means the value of P at 1 at 3 should be equal to, and this should be equal to negative of value at 2. Now we suppose that, so this value can be any real number. So because this Px is the characteristic polynomial of m, so if we take this value is equal to 0, then we have something. So means we can take idea of eigenvalues, means if the characteristic polynomial is equal to 0, then this 1, 2 and 3 will be eigenvalue of m. So that is why we suppose that this P1, P3 and negative of P2 is equal to 0. Means P at 1 is equal to 0, P at 2 equal to 0 and P at 3 equal to 0. This implies that 1, 2 and 3 are the eigenvalues of m because it satisfies these values satisfy the characteristic polynomial of m. So now behalf of this means because we suppose that this P1, P3 and P2 is equal to 0. So 1, 2 and 3 are the eigenvalues of m. So we construct a matrix m such that m has eigenvalue 1, 2 and 3. So because this m is a matrix of order 5 cross 5, so means we took 1, 2, 3 as diagonal entries, and these entries 0, 1, minus 1 and 0. This is a matrix which has real values, real entries, and eigenvalues 1, 2 and 3, and another 2 eigenvalues are iota and minus iota. Means this matrix satisfies the given condition, means P1 plus P2 equal to 0 and P2 plus P3 equal to 0, and the eigenvalues of m are 1, 2, 3, iota minus iota. So that is why this second option is incorrect. Now we come to the third option. So for third option he is saying that this M inverse is necessarily a polynomial in M of degree 4 if M is invertible. So let characteristic polynomial of M is this. Characteristic polynomial of M is equal to x raised power 5 plus a4 x raised power 4 plus a3 x raised power 3 plus a2 x square plus a1x plus a naught, because it is because he is saying that m is if m is invertible means determinant of m should be equal to non-zero entry, means determinant of m is not equal to 0, which implies that this a naught, the constant term, should not equal to 0. Okay, now we know that every matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. Okay, so means this matrix will satisfy the characteristic polynomial. So this implies that m raised power 5 plus a4 m raised power 4 plus a3 m raised power 3 plus a2 m square plus a1 m plus a naught I is equal to 0. Now what will we do? We'll change the side, means this a naught I will put this into right hand side, and we'll get that I is equal to minus 1 over a naught m raised power 5 plus a4 m raised power 4 plus a3 m cube plus a2 m square plus a1 m, because we have that a naught is non-zero, that is why we can divide by a naught here. Now multiplying both sides by m inverse in this equation. So what we will get? We'll get that this m inverse is equal to minus 1 by a naught m raised power 4 plus a4 m cube plus a3 m square plus a2 m plus a1 I. So this implies that this m inverse is a polynomial in m of degree 4. This implies that this third option is correct. Now we come to the fourth option. Fourth option says that if m square minus 2m is equal to 0, then m should not be invertible. So we took m square minus 2m is equal to 0. So what it says that it says that this m has the eigenvalues 0, either 0 or 2 or both 0 and 2. M can have eigenvalues. Okay, so for this we suppose that we let this m is equal to 2i. So means m has only the eigenvalues 2, and this m is satisfy the equation x square minus 2x, means m square minus 2m equal to 0. But this m is invertible also, that is why this fourth option is incorrect. Okay, so means we prove that this first, second and fourth option are incorrect. So the third option, m inverse is necessarily a polynomial in m of degree 4 if m is invertible, it is true, it is the correct option. Okay, thank you. So for any doubt you can comment in the comment section, and if this video and this question and this type of question are worthy for you, so like and share these videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you.